Hi all, welcome to this section on grouping and capturing using regex. The meta characters that we are going to use is simple round bracket. Okay, so here I have already provided that inside our regex cheat sheet. So now we are going to see how to use them practically in capturing and replacing them in the same text file. Okay, for that I will copy these few things from here and I will create a new notepad area. Okay. So let's try to match steps. So this is the website. Let's try to capture websites. Okay. Normally websites will be like word character followed by dot, then word character followed by dot, then word character followed by dot, word character followed by dot. So again we have forgotten one thing. We should have placed a slash in front of that, and then only it will match that. So let's try matching Google or not. So it's matching multiple steps. In case if you want to match the exact websites, we can use www find next. So this is matching this Google directly. In case if you want to match everything, then it's better to use this one. Okay, so this is matching almost everything. So in case if you want to check which websites we are actually trying to view, we can capture that particular one. For example, here I'm interested in checking the second one, that is Google or Facebook. Whatever followed by www, then dot, we need that. So, and also we'll capture this entire one so that we should not lose our tag. Okay, so now we'll say website /1. So the /1, what it will mean is here these brackets which I provided over here, you can see the round brackets, right? This is actually matching the websites, and at the same time this is capturing the regex that we wanted to catch. Here we have provided the round brackets here, right? This after the dot operator we have provided /w plus, which means match any word characters. So it will match any word characters, and I'm using the capturing group here so that whatever word characters matched will get captured. And here I have covered this entire regex with this round bracket, right? So this means it's actually capturing the entire matched pattern or matched collection of characters. So here I'm providing website /1. This /1 actually defines that replace this particular area with the first captured group. That is, there will be something called website one space followed by the first captured group. And we'll say something like name /2. It's actually a left precedent. So this outer group will have higher priority or precedence, so that this first one will contain this entire www.google.co.in, and this internal stuff to catch anything after a first dot will be in the second one. Okay, let's try to replace these two things, that is replace the existing websites with these extra informations. Let's replace this one and this one. So here you can able to see we had the website www.google.co.in, and we have captured the name Google, and for website Facebook we are able to capture Facebook. So similarly we can able to catch IP addresses. Let's do that for this particular IP address. So normal IP address will be having either 2 or 3 characters, so I'm grouping them inside this one, then followed by a dot. Then we can do the same thing over here as well. Then again, I think instead of that we can even put /1 as well, because in some cases IP address may also contain 1 digits. It matches, yeah, it's matching that. And it seems the last one is not matching fully. So whenever you are trying to match exact repetitions followed by OR operator, better put the highest numbers towards the left, because in case if you put 1 over here, it will match only one element and it will leave the remaining without getting captured. So let's try to do first part colon /1 /2, second part 1/3, third part 1/4, fourth part 1/5, full IP :1. So just replace this one. So let's push it out. So before we are having this IP address, and by capturing each and every one separately using the capturing route, we are able to understand what are the different parts inside this IP address, right? So with this, we can able to find whether this particular IP address is class C, class A, or class B type, whatever it is. So those kind of things can be easily obtained by using regex instead of using something like string.equal string.contains and all inside your programming language. If you replace all, that's all. In a single second, it replaces everything. So in case if you are in a programming language where you are going to test what type of IP address versus say the class A, class B, or class C, using this particular regex, you can just pull in this first part and you can check whether this particular number exceeds certain number, so that we can able to distinguish which IP address is a class A, or which one is a class B, or which one is a class C easily. So that's what the use of this one. And here, if there are a lot of websites inside your if you are going to a book or something, and if there are a lot of websites over there, you can able to track the websites using the regex that we use for this part. Then now we will try how to catch the dates. Okay, so actually here I told you that I will explain this thing, right? So let's see what I have written over here. I said we have to put it in this way, guys. Because if you want highest number to be pulled all the times, better to keep highest number towards your left, because the precedence is always calculated from the left side. Okay, so both of them will work. Got it, right? I'm just put something like I need 3 digits, that is numbers, or 2 digits, or single digit, and I'm grouping that. Since we are very clear that IP address will contain 3 digits followed by dot, and 3 digits followed by dot, and 3 digits followed by dot, and 3 digits, which means collection of 4 either 3 digit or 2 digit or single digit numbers separated by dots, not periods. So since we know that logic, we are able to arrive into the conclusion that we can use this function or regex to pull that IP address. You got it, right? So this will match anything from 1.1.1.1 to 255.255.255.255. Doubt it? Just run it. See, as I said, it is matching 1.1.1.1 to 255.255.255.255. Very simple, right? So let's try to catch these dates. So normal dates can contain either 2 digits or single digit. Right, we are capturing that. Now hyphen, we need some word character, something w plus, then followed by a hyphen, then we are very sure that it will contain 4 digit years, right? So we can either capture that. So this is totally up to you. Either you can catch only year or date, all in the matter of using the simple round bracket. If I put only one round bracket, we can put something like, since I don't want to lose a full track, I'm putting a whole group capture. Then I'm putting like date percent is /1, year extracted or captured is in the second one. So let's find first. Oh, sorry. Since we are having the OR operator here, we need to keep it. Otherwise, this won't work. What happens is, since I do not have this bracket over this area, what happens is OR operator acts in such a way that it either catches 2 digits or single digit followed by hyphen, then some word characters, then followed by 4 digits. So that is not what we want, right? So I'm grouping them all inside this. So now we are able to get everything. But here, see, we are able to get dates. Along with that, we are also getting some random numbers. We don't want them, right? So let's think about how we can able to remove that. We already know certain cases like bracket a to z and plus z finished. So now it's getting only these dates. So now we can try to replace them all. Replace this. So here we have the complete date, which we already got it. Oh, actually we have put that capture date, right? So we have to be like the third one. It's actually the date that got captured. We doesn't care about that. Just start from here. Replace. If we keep on replacing this, it will keep on replacing everything. So anyway, for now we have replaced one time, and the date present is 20 June 2018 and the year extracted or captured is 2018, and here 1978. This is how this particular text will work. We can able to catch anything with a pattern, and we can group them and capture them. We can able to match them, catch them, and use them. That is how the regex is. It's very simple. You got it right. Always keep in mind that we are gonna match particular characters, and we will catch that character if we want to use, and we can use that in areas where we want. That's all about regex. And hope you got a clear idea about this grouping stuff. We'll see about named grouping in our next session. Till then, bye guys.